Oryo muhwezi wa spika w'ishengerero rya Uganda Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa nagira ngu entebekanisa zahwire zo kugura ekyoma kya positron emission tomography PET scan erikuza kuhwera omu kukyebera bimwe aha bintu ebirikuteganisa abarwaire ba kansa. Ebi habigambirizo biri anyuma y'ebazyo omu Rurobona Town Council mu district ya Bunyangabu akushendekereza ombere gw'omwana Sams Victor Karenzi obirari mutabani w'omunyeshengero wa Bunyangabu County Honorable Victor Karenzi orugero mu magara g'ensegi.
Ekizimbe bakimazire hati niteekateeka omwaka oguguri kuija kutaka bwire nituza kuba twakitiiremu kandi ryo Uganda eriyo neeza kugira the best PET scan machine in Eastern Central Africa.
Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa agizire ngu gavumenti eyongeremu amaani omu kurwanisa oburwaire bwa kansa obu erikuteekaho amarwariro ga kansa omu byanga byona omu ihanga.
So government hati etiireho regional centers za cancer emwe tugitiiraho mbarara kugira ngu mureke kwirukanga kare Kampala hona hakiri mbarara niyo twagitiira na Fort Portal nimanya Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital tutiireho kiriniki ya breast cancer kuyamba abakyara mangu tugumane tureta mpora.
Dr. Charles Oraro or Director General of Health Services Ministry y'ebyamagara ashoborire ngu endwara ya kansa ekiri ekizibu kihango omu ihanga.
Through cancer we lose 5% of the people who die is because of cancer, and this translates to about 17,600 people dying each year because of cancer. Each year we also there are 32,500 new cases of cancer in this country, and 10% of the cancers affect children. What I want to highlight here is that whereas for cancers of adults we know the cause, they are associated with lifestyle, environment, and probably infections. For children, it's unknown, and it's mainly changes in genetics and which affects one cell which grows uncontrollably.
Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa ayongere agira ngu gavumenti neija kwongera sente omu Cancer Institute kihwere okurwanisa endwara egi.
Tondize budget yabo ku rugari biliyoni 241 twagiteeka biliyoni 216. We have increased on the directive of His Excellency the President in the last financial year, in this financial year, which is starting in July. The budget of Uganda Cancer Institute is increasing from 241 billion 416 billion.
Isho mugenzi Honorable Victor Karenzi oryo munyeshengero wa Bunyangabu County ajumirire eky'abantu obutagira buntu ekiresire bamwe omu bantu abarikwenda obuhwezi nkabo bari omu marwariro babura kiyamba.
Skyscrapers, big hotels, a lot of buildings. And in my heart, I was wondering, these people who have built all these hotels, for the last 10 years, patients are still sleeping on the floor in Mulago. If these people loved this country, loved humanity, we have people who are starving in Mulago because they can't afford food. I was wondering, even if it was not government, how much can it cost to just put up a ward and we get people off the floor?
Okuchondoza nukwereka ngu omubaro gw'abaana baine kansa nigweyongyera omu Uganda kandi n'abaana abarikwitwa kansa nabo nibeyongyera obwingi omu Uganda. Makuru aga gashakwa Justin Nyakisiki omu Bunyangabu district.
Na bwekyo kifamile ngigyekera Psalms 34